Go.
Check it out, live and direct. Live and direct, coming from Louisville City, but I'm from the city for sure. I got the C on my hat, the rim in my back. What they talking about, I dropped like a six-pack. Last year I dropped a long time ago. Called the show, rip up off the floor again. I'm talking about them going in the studio because I go in like I go in. What they talking about because they triple beam my show in. I'm talking about the 9 double M when I hit you, man. Pro from the set when I get it from the Lodo. You niggas is some what? I ain't tripping off you niggas cause you hodos. I ain't even trying to rap like that cause my sister is here and my nieces is here. Cause I don't cuss on beats, but y'all whack out here. Y'all need to act out here. You need to learn out here. It ain't about catching cases, it's a burn out here. It's a trap when I drop. In 94, I hit the dough. Talk about the cocaine flow foe. What you talking about because I'm foe on the Lodo? I'm talking about I'm pro cause I'm Chi-Town getting it in. What they talking about because I'm hot on the scene. I stay on the scene. Y'all sick fake on the scene. I'm talking about this last year. It's triple beam. I flow up. I'm Chi-Town. I'm 9-4. I get it in and go up. See y'all later.